Hi everyone, Eugene here at Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can actually take the look of an existing photo that you did. Maybe you edited it on your computer, exported, you really like the way it looks, and you'd like to take that same look and apply it to a photo that you took recently with your camera. And this can all be done through the LUMIX Lab app. So all we need to do is head over to the app, pick the image that we would like to edit, okay? So in my case, I have a few different versions here. I'm gonna go with this particular raw image here. And when I go to this option here, which is giving us the possibility to select some LUTs, there we go. We have an option that's been added in a more recent version of the app called Magic LUT. We're going to select this, and what happens when we select this Magic LUT option, there's going to be a prompt to allow us to select one of the existing images that we have on our device. So let's do that. Let's tap that again. And as you can see, I have some other images that I used before. So let's say I want to make this into a black and white image, right? So I'm just going to take that from this particular image. Let's try that again. It will generate the LUT, apply it to this image, and I can just go and save this. Easy as that. So that's how you can take the look of one image that you already have from way back, maybe you liked the edit that you did, apply it to a new one, and then you're ready to go. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully see you in the next one. Bye-bye.